Hi everyone, and welcome to section 4 of this tutorial series. In this section, we will create our playtestable environment, and we'll be doing this in 3 subsections. In the first subsection, we will create our water material, which you can see before you. In the second section, we will create our landscape material, which will have sand, mud, which is the erosive stuff that's there, our rock, and also a grass layer, which is obscured by the grass foliage there, as well as a dirt layer, which we don't currently use. We'll also import our island, and then in our third section, we will create our sort of proper environment with our foliage. We'll have our harvestable foliage, so if you see that little purple plant up there. Oh, also, we'll have sounds, as you can hear the water there. Different footsteps based on the material, so mud, rock. Here's what I was talking about earlier. We'll be able to harvest items. Also, grass sound. And we can pick up this white little flower. Actually, I'm going to pick one at a better angle. And we will have different herb types. So we have that leafy herb. That was the purple one that we can eat. We have our sugary herb. We also have a third herb type, which is a bit obscure and hard to find on the map, intentionally so. We'll be able to harvest wood from trees. And when we harvest enough wood, we'll actually be adding more to make that feel more realistic down the road. We will be left with a stump. And I'm getting the wrong thing. I want to get the scrap wood. There we go. We'll be able to, sorry, I was too near that other tree. We'll be able to discard wood. Instead of just having a tree show up, we discard raw wood like that. So we will have our first sort of play-testable environment, which will set us up for the rest of the series. So we're putting everything together that we've done so far. Now, in some cases, I will not be doing prep videos, but they'll be embedded within the actual tutorials. So like when we talk about the different foliage systems, there's no way to do a prep video for that. I could tell you, hey, oh, there's the third type, by the way. I could tell you, hey, there's this button you can press that does this, or this number that does this, but you need to see it in action. So what we'll be doing is we'll be actually talking about it as we use it. So that way you can see how the elements that we're working with work. We'll also set up our lighting. As you notice, we have God rays. We have atmospheric fog. We have exponential fog as well. And this will be all in prep. Also, we have leaves. This will be all in prep for setting up our weather system as well in the next section. So congratulations on making it this far. I hope you look forward to making your environment. And I look forward to seeing you in this section and hope that you have a wonderful day.